Before installation, first check that the power is switched off to ensure a safe installation process. Begin by feeding the cables through the waterproof pad next to the mounting bracket. Then secure the bracket to the junction box using the 2 supplied screws. Next, remove and save the clevis pin and hairpin from the downrod. You'll need them in a later step. Pass the downrod through the canopy and the coupling cover. Now, thread the electrical wires through the downrod until they come out from the top. Align the holes in the downrod with the support bracket on the fan assembly. Insert the clevis pin, then clip the hairpin through the hole near the end of the clevis pin until the curved portion snaps securely into place. Once secured, tighten the 2 set screws to lock everything firmly. Before installing the fan blades, remove the 3D tents from the main unit. Then, align the holes on each fan blade with the motor screw holes on the main unit and secure them in place. Carefully lift the fan unit and mount the downrod and hanger bracket assembly onto the hanger bracket attached to the ceiling. Rotate the downrod until the bump locks into the groove, securing the fan in its correct position. Next, insert the remote receiver and connect the wires. Be sure to check the controller wiring diagram in the user manual for the correct configuration. Connect the green wires to ground, the white wires to neutral, and the black wire to the line connection. After making the connections, double-check that all wire nuts are tight and secure. Mount the canopy and tighten the 2 screws to complete the installation. And that's it. Your ceiling fan is now ready to use. Restore power, test all functions, and enjoy your new ceiling fan with lights.